Hello everyone, in this tutorial video you will learn how to use PyramidApp. First, we'll launch the platform ILDE, the Integrated Learning Design Environment. You need to register to get access to the material. You can register by clicking here. If you are already registered, you can simply log in by clicking here. So this is our main page. You can create new designs, or you can see your designs that you're already working on, and you can browse designs which are created by other educators in this community. You can simply use their materials, or you can edit them according to your purpose, so you can just get simply inspired by them. Okay, today we're not gonna create a new design, we're gonna work on our existing design, which we already used for the pilot study. We're gonna edit it together. We're editing it by clicking here. So this is the name of our design, not the activity name. It will be here. And tags are important. If you want to share your design with the other educators, you can help them to find your design easily if it suits best to their aims. So you can simply describe your design by using this tags. And this is student task. This is the instruction for the activity. When students open the link of this activity, they will see this description and they will know what they need to do. And here you can change the learning setting. We want a classroom activity, so we chose this. And discussion is allowed in our case, so we'll go next. And this is how our activity looks like. So as you already know, we have 3 levels. Level 1 is the individual level, and then level 2 is pair work, and level 3 will be whole class discussion. Total number of students for us was 6, and number of students per group at rating level 1. This means level 2 because the things they wrote in level 1 will be rated in level 2. So it's 2. Number of levels is 3. And allow multiple pyramids? No, because we only have 6 students, so we want only 1 pyramid at the end. And minimum number of students per pyramid is 6 because we only have 1 pyramid. And we can see the advanced settings here. We can set the time limits. Time limit for level 1 and time limit for level 2 and 3. They're the same. And total time limit for the activity can be seen here. And when you click on this, you can see the countdown timers. And yeah, when you're done with this, you can just save it. We're basically done, so we can just save and exit. Here we can see our activity, and we click on it. So we can see the activity summary here. We can check if everything is okay once more. And yeah, if we're done, we can publish it by clicking here. It doesn't say publish because it's already published before. So you can either unpublish or republish this one. And by using this link, this is the student link. So let's see how it looks like when we go there. This is what students will see. So they will enter their username and then they will log in. Okay, let's go back. And the last thing is activity. Here, teacher can see all the interaction patterns and everything about the activity. So first, teacher can see the student list who were in the activity with the usernames, and those are the answers for level 1. So teacher can check their answers, and teacher can also see if they skipped any questions or not. And teacher also can see which pyramid they were in. Since we only have one pyramid, they're all in the same pyramid. And this is the winner of the level 1. So we already know that they rated the answers for the first question, first level, and this is the winning answer. And yeah, since we have only one pyramid, see that there's only one, and that's all. So this one was for level 1 and those 3 for level 2, because we had 3 groups. And we can see each group here. So the participants and the rating. So level 2, as you can see, they discussed a little bit. And here the discussion was better. And yeah, here this is the level 3 results. Whole class discussion. You can see that all participants are here. And the rating table and the discussion at the end. So this activity is done already, but in the meantime, in real time when you're doing the activity, you can just follow everything as a teacher here. And that's all. In this video, you've learned how to create a design using PyramidApp. Thank you for listening and watching.